Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can reset your BMO Harris Bank password. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have access to your email or phone link to your account, and this will help you regain access quickly and securely if you forget your password. So first, you will go to your BMO online banking login page, and the next you will click forget password below the login fields, and then after that you will enter your username or your card number, and then you will click submit. Then you will follow the prompts to verify your identity via email, SMS, or security questions. And finally, you will just have to create a new password and confirm it. And then you will have to log in with your updated credentials. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.